Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Kids are getting Christmas holiday break and I'm sure they are looking for some interesting recipes. So here I am with brownie pop recipe. Let's get started. Alright, so I made dark chocolate brownie from store-bought brownie mix, and I'm just crumbling them and making the balls out of it once they are warm enough. Alright, so I have this almond bark for our chocolate coating for the brownies. Alright, so we are going to melt this chocolate bark. So I am adding 3 cubes of chocolate bark with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and microwaving it for 30 seconds interval up to 1.5 minutes. And look at the consistency now, it's like a flowy consistency. Alright, my chocolate is melted and my balls are ready. So let's get started. I have these pop sticks. Just dip the tip of it in the melted chocolate and wait for like few seconds, and then add the brownie ball to it, and that will be our brownie stick ready here. And let me make the rest of the brownie balls or brownie pops. Here you go. Alright, so my brownie pops were sitting in the refrigerator for 10 minutes and now they are nicely set. As you can see, they're not coming out from the stick. So let's move on to the fun part. So I have this mug of chocolate morsels or almond bark, I would say. I have already melted it, but in that 10 minutes I had to warm it up again for 30 seconds. So now they are nice and gooey and flowy consistency. Make sure that that is flowy consistency. Let's dip our brownie pop or brownie ball into the mixture, and you can either tap it or just shake it so that all the excess chocolate is removed from the pop. And look at this, how nice and shiny it is. Beautiful, isn't it? So I'm gonna keep it like this one more time. Make sure your pan is greased with butter or oil. Let's do one more. Dip it and take it out and then shake it. Make sure the excess chocolate syrup, is gone. There you go. Nice. Now I'm just gonna place it here again. And look at this. This tray was in the fridge, right? So with that cold tray, baking tray, my first chocolate brownie pop is already thickened up. So let me do one more. It's so much fun to do with kids. Tap it, or you just shake it rather. And make sure excess is gone. Alright, so this is my third one. Oh, there's some more left. Okay. So make sure the tray is the baking tray or the plate that you have is cold enough so that the chocolate thickens up quickly. I'm also going to keep this in the refrigerator one more time for 5 minutes. The right time to add sprinkles as well. Alright, so there is another combination that we can do. Is I have the sprinkles, yeah, just add some colors on it. And here you go, nice and colorful, very interesting chocolate covered brownie pops are ready. I hope you like this recipe and you are going to try this recipe with your kids or your friends and families during this Christmas holiday or anytime during the year. Do share your feedback, and if you like this recipe, please click the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.